Hello, welcome back again to my for the past few days. I started using it already, as you guys can see. Is deeonojas. Another day is here again for me to feel another pains. It's one thing I hate this test, but I just have to. I don't already started. The difficult one. God, I'm just in mind already. Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Very easy. Please, it's remaining gentle. Just pray. Oh, this is a strong one. Yes. Have you taken snow? Hello, welcome back again to my channels, guys. So like for the past few days, I don't know if you guys can see, I've been having this reaction. See my forehead, my neck, I don't know if you guys can see, then my chest. So it's looking more like rashes, but I don't know. So that's what I've been observing for the past few days. Anyways, hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is the first time you come across my video or my content, consider to hit on my subscribe button. My channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and vlogs. Like you see this particular Nepal light, I've been waiting for it for like, my life depends on it, my soul depends on it, my heart depends on it. Like to the point that I've started sleeping already, but when I saw the light, the way I just jumped up, that is the joy of creating content. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see, this is 12:21. okay, so this is after 12 and this is the time that they're bringing lights, you get. But thank God. So guys, like I was saying, I've been having this reaction. So someone actually recommended one soap for me. I got the soap today. In fact, I started using it already, as you guys can see. So I think they say Yuri organic black soap. Yeah, started using it today. So this is how the soap look like. I just started. I don't know, just let me in the comment section if you've used this soap before and how effective this soap is to you. Okay, so just let me in the comment section. So there's one man that is Ghana blah blah blah, so she go to Ghana, get all those soap and the rest of that. So I got this from her. But my problem with this type of soap is this: if finally is working, how do I now continue to get it? Imagine the woman relocate from Port Harcourt. How do I get it? That's another problem. But I just started using it today, so let's see the results as time goes on. And there is this toothpaste I cannot do without, and the same advantage. In fact, see how squeezed the paper is, the pack is. The same disadvantage, the same disadvantage I've been having. I've gone to several supermarkets, but to get this toothpaste, toothpaste is actually a very big deal. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. to get this Charlie toothpaste is a big deal, and I really love this toothpaste so much, like the mint, everything. So I saw this from her and I got like two. Yeah, I got this one and another one. Okay, so I got two from her. Anyway, that's just it. That's the update for tonight. I think we're gonna continue this vlog because it's already late and it's like I'm liking this setting, this particular side here, because it's like it's giving me, initially my camera is always like this, but facing this side now. Let's see if we can just push it a little bit like this. I think this is good. You guys should let me know in the comment section if this setting is actually good.
Stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
I'm preparing rice. Yes, you guys are gonna be seeing after the end products you get. I need to go wash off this stuff from my face that stayed long enough. Then I have an opoki downstairs that is actually sewing one of my trousers like that. One is actually loose and the other one need to be shaped, you get, you know. I'm reducing every day because of the economy of the country, so I need to reshaping that trouser, you get. And guys, fam, oh my god, please let me know in the comment section where I can get a ring light charger, because yesterday my ring light charger got burnt. I don't even know how many videos I did that warrants that thing. I don't know, the thing just started smelling bad and I'm like, okay, let me fix it. Before I know, I just say I don't understand, and I'm kind of frustrated right now. So please, if you're in Port Harcourt, let me know where I can be able to get another ring light charger, or if I know I cannot fix that one because it's smelling so badly, or if I can still fix it, please let me know in the comment section. My food is almost done. I have to go check that malam. After checking that malam, I'll come back, freshen up, then we move.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So guys, here is our food, and here is our pure water, and our food is ready. So this is how your meat looks. My camera is not even doing justice to this food like it's supposed to, but this is how it looks. And let me enjoy my food. Oh. You guys should come and eat though. Before you say I don't used to cook, but you guys should come and eat, please. So guys, I'm eating already, and this is what I want. Yeah. So Nigeria, this is Nigerian local rice prepared with palm oil and fish. Yeah. So come join me, let's eat. Finish my food, and that's why I'm still sitting down. I don't want to lie down yet. And since I'm going to work by 4, so I'll have to sleep a little. I'll have to rest my head a little before that time. So I want to sleep. When I mean I want to sleep, I want to sleep deep sleep. But for my ring light, I told you guys that got burnt, the chair that got burnt yesterday. I'm really scared. I don't know if it has affected the ring light, and I don't know what to do right now. And the annoying part of everything is that, I'm sorry, please ignore that carpenter downstairs. You know, when you stay in this face me I face you apartment, you tend to see different things. So I don't know why he's knocking that in now. So what I'm trying to say is, I'm scared if it has affected the ring light. And the annoying part of everything now is that I'm not going to be in this house till like next week or next 2 weeks. I don't know yet. I don't know how the job is going to be there. I'm just so scared. I'm just so scared. I just pray hopefully, because I didn't mean I'm in the house. I would have just taken it to all this mechanic. I'll just package the ring lights in the bag and just go look for charger for it. But now that I'm not in the house, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Then hopefully let's see what happens anyways.
So I want to rest now. And one thing I actually love doing before going to work is making sure that everywhere in my house is clean, sparkling, and cold. Yes, that's what I want, because I don't need to show by before I go and come back. Definitely there will be black sheets everywhere. I don't know, the place can be still dusty, but this me cleaning it that time when I come back will be a little bit lesser than when I leave everything messy and I go out and come there another mess just join the messy city. That's all for it. I'll just so I like keeping the place clean. So guys, I'll be leaving by 4, and I actually don't know what to say again. So far so good. This is the day 2 of me using that soap. Don't know, is it showing yet? I don't think so. Let me just come close. Like see my forehead. This is the day 2 of me using that soap. So let's see what happens. See my chest. This is the day 2 of me using that soap. So anyways, I'll giving you guys updates, since I'll be taking that soap along with me as well to the office, and I'll give you guys updates if you can go for that soap, if you have all this palava and want to go for that soap or not. Anyway, let me know in the comment section if you're seeing any reaction. Let me know in the comment section as well if you know where I can be able to fix my ring light. I've been saying this, to fix my ring light charger, to buy another ring light charger. Please let me know, because as it stands now, I'm totally blacked out. I don't even know what to do right now. So please, boy, if you have any idea that okay, you can get this charger here, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that's that for this vlog, sha. So I'll be saying bye for now, guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. But as always, if you've not subscribed, please do it to hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop me a comment. Nepa decided that no one give us like today, but no wahala. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.